Introduction to Jose Rizal and his works. Hello, I'm John Ray Laderas. Today, I'll be introducing to you Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. Rizal was just not a writer. He was a reformist, a patriot, and a visionary. His most famous works, No Limitang Hire and El Filibusterismo, exposed the corruption of abuses of the Spanish colonial government. These novels inspired many Filipinos to seek freedom and justice. But even in his final days, Rizal faced a controversial moment in his life. There today, we'll explore what that retraction was and why it remains a topic of debate.
Good day, I'm Rosalinda Inong. Today we are tackling the arrest and imprisonment of Rizal during in 1896. In 1896, Rizal was arrested by Spanish authorities and imprisoned in Fort Santiago. He was accused of being revolutionary and was charged with sedition. Despite his effort to prove his innocence, he was sentenced to death. During his imprisonment, he was subjected to harsh conditions and eventually he was executed on December 30, 1896. This period of his life is crucial to understanding the context of the retraction, as it was during this time that he was said to have written the retraction. Was it truly his own work? Let's find out!
Hello everyone, I am Rebecca Hipol and I will discuss you the retraction document. The retraction is a document that Rizal was said to have written before his execution. It was a formal statement of repentance in which he expressed regret for his writings and actions. The retraction was published in the newspaper La Solidaridad, which Rizal had co-founded. However, the authenticity of this document has been questioned. Was it truly written by Rizal, or was it a fabrication? Let's explore the content and the controversy surrounding it.
The authenticity of the retraction. Good day, I'm Adams. One of the most debated aspects of the retraction is whether Rizal actually wrote it. Some scholars argue that the retraction was not genuine and was instead fabricated by the Spanish authorities to discredit Rizal. Others believe that Rizal did write it, but it was not a sincere expression of repentance. The question of the authenticity remains a key point in the retraction controversy. Let's look at the evidence and the arguments on both sides.
Hello, I'm Karel. The Spanish authorities were deeply concerned about Rizal's growing influence and the political for revolution. The retraction was not a voluntary act but was posed on Rizal under duress. The Spanish government used the retraction as a political tool to justify Rizal's execution and to suppress his revolution ideas. Let's examine the political motives behind the controversial document.
Hi, I'm Jonard Lacasandili. My topic for today is philosophical and ethical implication. The retraction raises important philosophical and ethical question. Was Rizal truly repentant or was he coerced into writing it? What does this say about the nature of truth, freedom of expression, and the role of the state in suppressing dissent? The retraction controversy is not just a historical debate. It's a reflection about the ethical dilemmas faced by individuals in times of political operation. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. The relevance of the retraction today. Good day. I'm Giovanni Puna. Even today, the retraction controversy remains relevant. It raises questions about the power of the state, the right to free expression, and the legacy of historical figures. Rizal retraction is not just a historical footnote. It's a symbol of the struggle for truth and justice in modern times. We continue to grapple with similar issues, the suppression of dissent, the manipulation of history, and the ethical responsibilities of individuals in the face of oppression. The retraction controversy reminds us of the importance of critical thinking and the need to question narratives that may not reflect the full truth. Let's reflect on how result stories continues to inspire us today.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. The retraction controversy had a lasting impact on Rizal's legacy, while some view it as a necessary sacrifice for a greater good. Today, Rizal is still celebrated as a national hero, and the controversy continues to be a topic of discussion in Philippine history. His life and works remain a source of inspiration for many.